Workout 44, part 1. So you're going to complete 3 sets of the following superset. So your goal is to hold on to the dumbbells and not drop it for all 24 reps. When you're done with all 24 reps, then you'll drop it and go outside and run your 400 meters or on the treadmill or on the rower, whatever you're going to be doing. So first thing we're going to do is going to be 10 alternating bicep curls. So big proud chest, roll your shoulders back, elbows in nice and tight by your side. You can go one at a time or we can go seesaw. Actually, seesaw, I like that better. Let's do it all the way. So there's 1, 2, all the way to 10. Once you guys have done 10, I want you to go into 8 dumbbell high pulls. Turn them over, pull your elbows up higher than your shoulders. Once you guys have done your 8 high pulls, I want you to find your Arnold press beginning. So bring your palms facing you, open up, press above your head, palms flashing away. Close the window again. So that's 10 bicep curls, 8 high pulls, and 6 Arnold presses. Once you've completed all your reps, run outside, run it out, bring it back in, take a second, maybe 30 seconds, and start again. Challenge yourself in your weight and don't let go. Section B, so you're gonna go for 3 sets of this. You're gonna go for 10, 5, and 5. So 10 single arm lat raises. So bring your feet right underneath your hips, soften your knees, palm facing down, you're gonna bring it right up and control it on the way back down. For 10 on the right, don't let your body get involved at all. Once you guys have done 10, you're gonna go into a wide grip negative pull-up. So nice wide grip. I don't mind how you get up there, but get yourself up there and count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the way back down. Once you guys have done 5 of those, I want you to pick up your dumbbells again and then go for 5 tempo dumbbell rainbows. So big proud chest, palms are flashing away from you, slowly on the way up, tap at the top, and extremely slowly on the way back down. So that's 5 total. When you're done, you've got 3 sets. So when you're done there, we're going to move on to C. So C, you need 1 plate, and we're going to go for 10, 10, and 10. 10 plate car drivers, 10 plate frontal raises, and then 10 plate overhead presses. So when you have that 25, maybe lighter than that, between 15 and 45, that goes for girls and guys. Don't go too heavy. I want you guys to be able to do all your reps unbroken. I want you to soften your knees, so in your nice athletic position. A little bit of a bend in those elbows. We're going to drive the car 10 times. When you're done, keep those hips behind you. We're going to go for 10 frontal raises. It's nice and controlled. Once you guys have done 10 there, bring it above your head and bring it right back down to your chest. 10 presses over the top of your head. When you're done, then you rest for 30 and do 3 sets total there as well. That's it for part 1. Good luck.